And there's something called retargeting. Like for example, let's come to the newspaper thing again. Let's say you gave a ad that I'm giving a free dental checkup in Bangalore. Okay, I'm giving free dental checkup for 100. Let's say I'm giving a free dental checkup in Bangalore. Okay, your ad got published and 1 lakh people saw the ad, for example. Because why I'm saying saw the ad, because 1 lakh prints were done, 1 lakh newspaper was print, and we are assuming 1 lakh people saw the ad. Now, out of those, maybe 1 lakh people, maybe 1,000 people are interested in dental checkup. Of course, ratio comes down, right? So maybe 1,000 people are interested. Yes, I want to do the dental checkup. But for some reasons, they didn't go today. They thought, and that they got busy in their day-to-day schedule. They thought, okay, we'll go tomorrow, and suddenly they forgot, right? Most of let's say out of 1,000 people, just 100 went. 900 people forgot. We have the habit of forgetting because we are not, it's not urgent work, right? If it was urgent, we might have gone before, but we got an offer. That's why we want to visit for a routine checkup. But now what happens, the dentist have to give the ad in the entire newspaper again to remind them. But in Facebook, there's something called retargeting. Let's say again you do the same thing in Facebook. You gave your ads and it reached 1000 1 lakh people. Out of those 1 lakh people, 1,000 people clicked on your ad to know the offer. They clicked and visited your whatever page or post or landing page, whatever you have. They clicked on your ad to know the offer. Fine. So now you have the option to retarget those 1,000 people again and again. Now you don't have to pay for the remaining 99,000 people. You just have to pay for 1,000 people and show them ads again and again to remind them that, hey, you are interested in this ad. Did you finish your dental checkup? If not, please visit us as soon as possible. This offer is expiring in 3 days. Or use this coupon code while visiting for a free checkup. So that's an important concept.